everyone, welcome to another video. Today, I have a special little guest with me.
Kai!
My little brother. So, we're in Teardown.
And we're tearing up stuff.
Yes, Kai. that's why the game's called Teardown. But we're joined by my little brother, Kai. He's a monster truck enthusiast.
Yeah,
so,
and I like dinosaurs and monster trucks.
And we're just gonna be messing around in Teardown. So, as you guys can see, we got the buck T-Rex.
And we're trying to destroy him. And our friend is Darren.
Darren the drone, yo.
And
totally
he's trying to help us.
We're dead. We just died. Okay. Ooh, a car. All right.
Okay, so let's get in the car, everybody, and drive away.
Kai doesn't really know much about YouTube, but he wanted to just tag along.
Yeah, but everybody, today we're in Teardown, and now we're tearing.
Kai, we already announced that.
Oh yeah,
make sure to like and subscribe if you guys want to see more Teardown
and
all things
Kai and Andrew.
And all things dinosaur, kaiju related, stuff like that.
Yeah. And don't forget, when you hit that subscribe button, ring that bell.
Yeah. And also, I have some commands here. So
yes, we do.
So I can just turn this a rainy night.
Yeah. Okay, everybody, it's dark now, and it's raining.
Oh, darn it, I used my... What the? What the? I'm just...
Okay.
We changed the weather, and then it's just like, go right off the New Jersey Turnpike.
Okay.
And I'm like, what?
So, everybody, and don't forget, when you ring that bell, then if you want to see more of our videos and you ring that bell, you gotta download Andrew and Kai.
What? We're not robots, Kai. We cannot be downloaded. Kai, we aren't robots. Oh. Guys, looks like our friend the T-Rex needs a little bit of help here. Sorry for that uploading for a while, guys.
Yeah.
I've been pretty busy.
Yeah,
so...
but we are having fun with you guys today.
Goodbye, Mr. T-Rex. Stop being a dingus.
Goodbye. Everybody, we just eliminated the T-Rex.
Okay. Let's spawn a tripod. Wait, there's something that's called War Machine. That's literally just the Martian tripod. But it just has like a different name. They just call it War Machine, but it's nevertheless I don't remember it having two beams. Alrighty then. Let's keep moving.
And everybody, don't forget.
Okay, wait. Let's get on top of this tower for like a cinematic shot.
Yeah, let's do it, Andrew.
We gotta get that sort of. Oh god. Oh god. My PC is not liking this. Darren.
We need help, Darren. And guys, don't forget, Darren is a good drone.
I don't think anyone's gonna forget that Darren's a good drone. Okay, wait, let's go. Rocket launcher. Oh god. Darren just shot himself with a rocket. Go, Darren, go!
Come on, Darren. Come on.
Boom! Boom! Distract him. Oh god. Oh god, it's trying to shoot its lasers at me.
Whoa.
Okay, let's go.
And today
Kai's probably going to repeat some of the same things over and okay.
And
There goes the Martian tripod.
And don't forget, when you go into Teardown with us, don't forget, you can just go into Teardown, trains, or you can go with us into doors.
I mean, doors works, but they can't go into Teardown because we're gonna need Teardown multiplayer. We're also probably gonna need to be we're gonna have to be like friends on Steam.
No, I mean when the visit.
Kai, I don't think we're gonna have any random viewers at our house anytime soon. I also got a Choo Choo Charles mod, so that's actually pretty dope. I like the Choo Choo Charles mod. Okay, let's break the glass, because once we click that off button, there's no going back. So let's spawn ourselves a Choo Choo Charles. Now you may be asking, well, why isn't it moving? Well, that's because you need to do this. You need to hack Choo Choo Charles, and then you need to dash all the way to the other side of the map before Charles can get you. Okay. Divert Charles's course before returning back. Let's bring him to the edge of the map. Alright guys, we're just gonna wait for Charles here. Yeah, here he comes, and whoosh! Okay, that just bought us some time. Okay, come on. Off. Okay, let me in. Well, he's gone. We lost Charles that easy.
And Andrew,
That was no.
And Andrew, Choo Choo Charles does not eat M&Ms.
What? No, Kai. Choo Choo Charles. I don't think Choo Choo Charles eats M&Ms.
No, because trains don't eat candy.
Especially not demonic spider trains.
Trains only eat people.
Normal.
Choo Choo Charles only eat people.
Pretty much, yes. Where's Charles? There's no way we lost him that good, right? I don't even see him. I mean, I could call over Darren, but you know what? Let's do it. Let's call over Darren. All right, Darren. Where is this stupid spider train?
Yeah, where's this dumb big spider leg train?
The answer would be nowhere. He's gone. Well, looks like we're gonna have to spawn another Charles. Don't play me if we spawn two Charleses. Is it Charleses or Charles I don't know. Okay. Oh, but he got stuck on the tracks. Oh. Charles, You might need some help there, buddy.
What?
Oh no. Did I say he might need some... Did I say he might need some help? Okay, maybe he does. I don't know. What's he doing? I got myself a Poppy Playtime grab pack. Is he running?
Yeah. Look at this funny.
Are you serious? Now I gotta spawn in yet another Charles. Oh my gosh. I swear to God, guys, this does not normally happen. Like, I did this all of last night and all of yesterday.
This doesn't happen on
oh God.
On my game.
Oh no. There he is. And here's the train. So, oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Okay. Oh, he's sending the entire, uh-oh. Don't worry, guys. I got something that could help. Turn on the flamethrower. Burn him. Cook him. That did nothing. No, no, no.
Andrew, let's try to go through his body.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I got this. So if you guys are wondering where I got all this stuff for this game, it's on the Steam Workshop. So, oh wait, I got an idea. But I'm not just gonna show you guys stuff and then just like be a bad YouTuber and then just be like, I'm not just gonna show you guys and then I can drive Charles. I can be a choo-choo Charles. I also got a radio, but I'm not gonna use the radio since I'm not in the mood to get copyrighted. I'm not. I got the drill. I got the drill. I just smacked my arm, but I got the drill. We're going through. We're going right through them. And then we're going right through the train too. I just made a clean hole. And now, right up and out. And then right through and out. And then right up. Oh yeah, we also have good old Mecha Kevin over here. And I'm gonna showcase one of the other things I got from the Steam Workshop with Destructible Mecha.
Andrew, let's do it.
His normal Kevin is indestructible. But where's it? There it is. Alright. It's called Basilisco. I don't know what a Basilisco is, so if you guys know where this thing is from, please tell me. Because I don't have the slightest clue where or what the heck a Basilisco is. But oh, there it is, it's coming. Alright. And now I can just
the Basilisco.
yes. This is what I do when I'm really in need of a Basilisco strike. I just spam legitimately everything so that I can just unload an abominable amount of arsenal fire on Kevin. And there it goes, it's going in. Okay, cute.
Does that mean the Basilisco is controlled?
Oh, it's it changes moveset. Cool. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't think. Yes. I don't think my computer is having the best of times with this. Oh yeah, I also have where is it? Drivable plane. Yeah, just go get him. Go get him, buddy. Yes, kill him, my pretty. Oh my god. Anyways, I keep restarting the map. I keep restarting. Sorry if you guys couldn't hear me this entire episode, but I keep restarting the map because I keep spawning new stuff in, and I don't want to just, you know. Okay, plain basilisco. Okay, come on. Okay. Well, that was that. We just went underneath the map. Oh, well, that's terrifying. What about friendly basilisco? And where's my I was just evaporated within seconds. Okay, drivable plane. Yes, go get him. Kill him. Oh my good god. Okay. Basilisco strike. Yeah, let's go.
Oh my god.
Let's go. Terminate that thing. Terminate the evil basilisco. Blow it up.
Oh my god.
Whatever else we've got here. Oh my god, that just drained so much of my health. Oh no. Oh no. And that's us. We just fall. And then our eyes start to close. And we never wake again. Well, I also got dinosaurs too, so let's do some dinosaur stuff. Because I got some like cool storage maps and stuff like that I could like have like dinosaur like horse stuff with. So let's see, what do we got? Okay, that's what you guys saw in the beginning of the episode. So let's spawn a Spinosaurus. Because why not? Let's spawn a Jungle Explorer 4. Yeah. Ford Explorer from Jurassic Park. This might actually end up being a thumbnail. Hold on. We gotta get a thumbnail worthy thing here. Oh god. Yeah, but I also have a God mode mod like installed, but I'm not quite like it's not enabled right now. So can I alright, let's see. So what do we got? What can we use? I take this Spino down. Well, one thing's for absolute sure.
And here comes
Darren. Yep, here's Darren. Alright.
Come on, boy.
Come on, Darren. Alright.
Pull it! Oh, Darren. Darren is having a hard time.
Oh.
You're dead.
That's not a Koji sensor style thing. I don't know what is. Come on, Darren. Darren, you gotta pull him. I saw Darren like hoisting like a dragon. Darren's got this.
Come on, Darren. Come on, boy.
Come on, buddy. Started pulling Choo Choo Charles too. Darren!
And we need to save Darren.
Well, I hear the Spino's feet, but I don't know where the Spino is. Well,
Darren, and go see them. Where are they? There they are.
Oh,
No.
Darren!
Darren, pull. Come on, boy.
Pull him up, buddy. Come on, Darren.
Uh-oh, Darren is having a hard time. Look, Darren.
Alright, just let him go, Darren. Darren,
Oh.
Darren, come back up. Where are you, Darren? Darren.
Andrew,
Oh, there.
Derek.
Oh yeah, Derek, the drone.
Andrew, let's spawn in Derek, the drone.
Because I know I also got some
Derek.
more dynamic.
Andrew, come on, spawn in Derek.
Hold on, Mom. Because I know I got drone.
Derek. Oh.
Drone swarm, attack! What? What's this drone? Oh. What? What's the drone swarm doing? Are they attacking me, or are they? Or what are they doing? Do I spawn something else? As it says attack, so do they attack anything that tries to attack them? Come on. No. Does it destroy T-Rex? Alright, Rex, you. Ow! Rexy's plot armor saved her there. Don't worry, I'm a skilled hunter.
Andrew, get him! Andrew's spawning like.
I think we already killed.
Boom! Oh yeah, we did kill him.
I think we already sniped Rex.
Boom!
Okay, there's a drone right there.
Boom!
Oh, I just blasted that drone out of the sky. Well, drivable Martian tripods. So can I drive a Martian tripod? I want to try and drive a Martian tripod. Just started doing the get stick bug below dance. Okay, I'm gonna freeze you midair.
Boom!
How do I drive you? Can I drive you?
Boom!
And it said drivable, so in theory I should be able to drive you. Also, you look like Millennium. You look way too much like Millennium.
He's falling.
Oh.
He's dead.
All you Kaiju Universe fans out there probably know what I'm talking about when I say Millennium. You know, we had Squid Man, the one that looks like kind of like Stinger Flynn. Oh. I have pincer blasters. I am Millennium. Okay, now time to bring Millennium down. Okay, oh. Oh, there goes Millennium.
I saw Millennium go up in the air.
Literally unskilled Millennium's quality, bro. Oh, God.
Who was that?
What just shot me? Was this?
Dylan has all.
Oh my God, Darren's friends. Okay. I think I could probably.
I saw Millennium's hand. And look at Millennium.
On.
Get in the train, Andrew. Go!
Come on. Oh, I don't care. Okay. As long as there's some way to escape.
Yes! Andrew,
To
fire.
safety!
Go, Andrew. Go, 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 go. Andrew, he looks like a shell.
Oh no.
Go, 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 go.
Yes.
Go, 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 go. Andrew, let's sit down. Let's sit down.
Oh my god!
Andrew, are you sitting down?
I guess I am, technically. There's a drone! This one!
Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom.
Pow! Oh, we just shot one of its wings off!
Andrew, is that Darren?
No, that's not Darren.
Andrew, will you shoot Darren?
No.
I love Darren. Boom, boom, boom,
Bam!
bam, boom, boom, boom.
Oh! Oh, we just shot one of that one's wings off.
There's so many drones.
I know what could take him down, though.
What?
A rocket launcher.
Ooh, boom, 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 boom.
One of these bullets has to hit one.
Boom,
Or
boom, boom, boom.
a minigun. Daka 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 daka. What is this? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this thing works wonders. Okay. My Ford Explorer. I'm taking my Ford Explorer along on the journey too.
Andrew, this is fun.
Or I could just grab this and then whee! Derail the whole train.
Nice idea, Andrew.
And then just throw one half of the train, then the other half, then the other half,
Ooh, that's
then another half, then another half.
Ooh, Andrew, that's a great idea.
And then just throw it into the gigantic swarm of drones. And oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Pipe bombs! Pipe bombs! Bomb everything!
I'm gonna say no.
Oh! A few of them are getting destroyed.
Oh, I need fun. And that was not good.
Originally I was supposed to do I was gonna do an aisle video today. The aisle, you know. But I decided to do a teardown video since I really wanna do teardown with you guys. You weren't even thinking of being in the video in the first place. I don't. What the?
What the heck?
Marine planes. Private jet. Hey! Hey! Why? Why? I guess so.
Why is it wiggling?
I guess this is like the weirdest thing ever. But turn!
That's a stupid train.
You mean plane? And yes, I just literally made this thing do like the most epic left veer in the history of planes. Veer left! Oh no. Really? Well, that was really,
And you,
duh. They're telling me, don't. I think it's just like a communication radio. Oh! Let's just spawn Foxy. No, not Foxy Boo. You don't even know how to talk to you. You've never played Five Nights at Freddy's, Kai.
I'm sorry.
There's nothing to be sorry about, Kai. It's just that you've never even played this stupid game before. So, you don't even know what... You don't even know what you're...
What is it? Another.
Aircraft spawner.
Andrew, let me ask you something. Foxy Boo is a box.
That's not asking you something. That's making a statement, Kai.
What?
Yes.
Why did you do a helicopter?
Oh God, Foxy. Foxy, get away from my helicopter. Oh no, I just chopped one of its rotors off. That is not going to be good for my revenue. Okay.
I just wanted Foxy.
I don't want to spawn in Foxy right now, guy. I'm getting in the helicopter. Oh, what? Okay. Yeah. Are you serious? Come to me. Yeet. I hate you.
Are you gonna break the helicopter?
No, I'm gonna spawn a snake. I'm gonna spawn a...
I remember the snake.
Yeah, you should remember the snake. Oh, I don't like remembering the snake. Let's spawn a Huey. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Oh yeah, I can fire missiles in this thing. Forgot about that.
He's not gonna get you.
This is supposed to be an aircraft bomber. Oh! Those missiles just barely missed him. Now I'm just miserable. I'm one of those aircraft bombers. Just gotta make sure I don't lose control of my chopper. I'm going right over the snake. I'm going right over it. I'm dropping bombs. I'm hitting him with the USS Argo carpet bombing. Oh yeah, speaking of USS Argo, yeah, I just found some random books that I wrote in 2nd grade, and yeah, I might make like a Knuckles approves my 2nd grade comics video, like a 100K subscriber special, or like 100 subscriber special. Sounds a little bit more. Foxy! What are you doing here? Burn! I've never really played Five Nights at Freddy's, but I thought fire was a way to kill them. Not only fire agents, but cutting them in half probably is. I'll cut it in half! How is Foxy not even mining drill? Minigun? Sit down, Foxy. And then just to be sure, I'm gonna grab this man with the cooked shotgun and throw him under the bus. In this case, under the train. And you know what else? Find it, Foxy. You wanna play that game? And we'll play that game. I'm gonna freeze him now. Freeze! Or you're gonna become more frozen than Shin Godzilla. Ha ha. Yeah! And then just
Okay, so
blast him. And then get a fire beam. And then just cook him. While also hitting him with ice. Because these two definitely are compatible. And now that it's roasted, I'm gonna go, Waya! Sick'em! Wahoo! Hello? Yes? Hi. No, I never said that. Is Johnny over at your house right now? I'm recording a video. Yeah, I'm currently recording a video. No, I never did. Because I don't know, but I never said that. I'm doing a teardown video. Cosby's returned, everyone. No. At this point, you're like SCP-096, but instead of seeing the face, it's saying your name. No, make sure to go to Cosby's channel and give him some love too, because I don't deserve all of it. He deserves some likes and subs too. Yes. Yeah. Also, he's the one with lumberjack, not the one with the random guy. He's not the one with the random guy, he's the one with the vehicle icon. Because there's someone else who already has that username. So don't get them confused. Ozzy found one of his fans and met him direct and then subscribe to the wrong channel. Why not just do Gecko Games? You already did. That's exactly what you guys should do on this video. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button so you never miss any more kaiju, dinosaur, teardown, weird-looking choo-choo-cholly type content. I say that as I'm literally blasting Charles' teeth out. He's definitely gonna need to detect this. Laser gun! And you know what? Just finish it off. Where is it? Where